Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a fade in and fade out animation on Wix Studio. The process is going to be very simple. So I'm going to give you here a little idea and nothing is going to be complicated. No code is needed. And also we are going to use the animations that we have on the inspector side of Wix Studio. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the list of the websites that you have created. So basically, we are going to filter the websites that we have created from Wix Studio to the normal Wix editor. So the Wix Studio ones will get this built on Wix Studio, as you can see label. So we are going to click on it, select and edit site, and then you're going to see the dashboard of the website. Once you have seen the dashboard of the website, what we're going to do in here is to click on edit site. And then you're going to see the website that you have in here. Let's say here loaded up. Now, what we're going to do is to select one of the things that we want to animate or add the animation of the fade in and fade out to. For example, most of you is going to be or are going to use, for example, the text, or the animation for text. So you're going to click on the text and then you're going to head over the inspector. Open up the inspector and click on animations and effects. So you're going to see here we have the hovers, we have the clicks, we have the scroll, and we have the loop. So you can go ahead and add a scroll and see whatever animation that you're going to add, or you can go ahead and set up the, for example, the loop. So for the loop, you can go ahead and have here, for example, the flash. As you can see, you have the fade in and also the fade out in only one animation. Also, you can go ahead and head over the hover and you can see that we have some fade. As you can see here, we have the fade. We're going to have it in here and you can see that we have the fade added in here. So you can adjust the, as you can see here, the alignment, not the alignment, but the fade, for example, if it is going to be in or out, for example, and also the duration of that specific process and the delay. Also, you are going to choose the easing, ease in and out, ease in, ease out, and etc. We need to set up the ease in and out only. So you can go ahead and click on preview. And that is something that you need to do. So basically, you can go ahead and either choose, for example, the flash. I'm going to remove this specific entrance. What do we have here? Do we have the reveal? I'm not going to use a reveal. So we are going to head over the loop. For example, you can go ahead and use the flash. So this is a fade in and also a fade out. You can adjust it just like that. Or you can go ahead and head over here. And instead of the flash, you can go ahead and remove it. Head over the scroll, not the scroll, but the hover. You're going to add the fade, just like that. And basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.